Hello, everybody. And here's Nana with Jakey and Jasmine. So today she's wearing a little headband that's got little cat ears. We found that yesterday when we were doing a little shopping. She really liked it. And then here we got Jakey. He got a whole set of cars, huh, honey? You got
he got cars. This many.
Yeah, he did. You really like those? Yeah, you do.
And then I got a lot.
And then so she got a lot of other little gifts because that's what we were doing a little shopping for.
It's because we've been good children.
Yeah, and they were treated out for a little toy, and both of them chose. You want to show them what they got? What you guys got?
It's a Play-Doh set.
It's a Play-Doh set. And what is it?
It has red, blue, and yellow.
Oh.
Yeah, you cannot see it, but it's yellow.
Okay.
So we're gonna open it.
So you guys are gonna play with that right now?
Yeah.
All right. What you got to say, Jakey?
The scratch.
Maybe turn it around, honey. Turn the bucket. Oh, you're not gonna split. I thought it was upside down. Okay.
Here's everything.
Oh yes. Jakey, let's see what she's got in there. Okay.
I'll get two. Yeah, there's little figurines. See? Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Right. Oh, so you put the Play-Doh in it and you make hair
And
for
they're here. And here's some things. This is you. Yeah.
Oh, let's see. Show us, Jakey. Show us. Let's see. Show us right. Oh, that's you. You tagged yourself as him. How cute.
Scissors, the feet.
Now you guys got all the accessories to it.
I got the scissors. No, we're gonna share it. I need the scissors.
We'll try and find another pair. I'm sure we have more.
I need it.
From all the sets that we get, guys. You all know how that goes.
Let me see. These go here for now.
We just gotta hold on to the accessories for them later use. Okay, well, I'll let you guys settle it all out. You guys show me when you guys got the little guys going, okay?
We're gonna do them for a video.
To show everybody how you guys make these.
It can't open. It can't open. There we go. Look, it's too lean. It's too lean.
Yes, it did, honey.
There you go. To move. I actually used it already, so that's why it's messy a little.
Oh, okay. And I don't know if you guys can see a little baby back there somewhere. We hear her. She'll pop up her head once in a moment again.
I didn't open.
Oh, he needs help? You need help, Jake? Or what do you need?
My feet.
No, okay. So then I'll let you guys continue playing with these things here, and then you show me what you guys get, okay?
I'm already gonna do it. Uh-oh.
I'll be right back.
It looks like spaghetti. Hey, it's mine.
So let him have some, and then you can show me at the end.
They got funny. It's red.
That's so cute.
No, I'm gonna show him.
Yeah.
Like you put the Play-Doh. Oh, you did it. Okay. You put the feet. You slide it on. Like this.
Jakey. She's teaching you.
Like this. See this one that's smaller? You put it on and then press down. Okay, that's right. See? There you go. There.
Thank you, Jasmine. How cute. I think he has to hold it from the feet. Show him how he has to hold it from the feet. He's holding it from the... They are a little tight, but it could be done. Keep going, Jakey. Keep going.
I'm just gonna go down for
it. Okay.
Potato.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
How cute. And then you can cut the hair.
Yeah. I need the rest.
Let's see, Mr. Barber. Cut his hair. Let's see. Jay's hard working over there, too. Oh, that's cool, Jakey. You could do that.
But this one's more better. Look. Who's that man?
I think both of them are
Look at
pretty
that
cool.
man.
And then there's another character there.
Look at this man. That's the one I'm gonna use. Yeah.
Oh, how cute.
Nana.
Yes.
That's mommy.
Oh, that's mommy right there? How
Yeah,
cute.
this is me.
Okay.
Yeah, that's you. And then that is you, and then this is little Zeke because he always be mean. That face. That face.
Maybe we can cut that.
Like
but...
this. Like that. What is that?
So here we go. That is really cool.
Nana let us choose which one, the fishing set or this one. But we picked the Play-Doh because it was so fun. That's why.
It is a lot of fun. Yes, it is.
Nana, it looks fun in his house.
You had fun at Zeke's house? That's a really nice
It
house.
has a stairs on it and two stories. Only
It's a
one
two-story home, that's why.
No, had the walker, had the button on it. We could open it. Two, only one. Only like this two. Only like this all
You
the
just got a
doors.
lot to say. Yes. And then Jazzy, did you have fun yesterday?
Yeah. And this playset does look fun.
That looks like a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it even is. Yeah. There we go.
Well, you guys...
All done.
Oh, right. That is nice. That is cute because you can make them all kinds of different designs and stuff.
Even these kinds.
And styles, so that's
Because
pretty cool.
this is how she wanted it.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
And Jakey looks like he's still working on his haircut here. Alright. Then we will see you guys in a minute.
I'm gonna see how
Let you guys finish.
yellow does.
Okay.
Hello, everybody. This is what yours. Jakey, say hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. So today we made some Play-Doh figurines. Look. We made them out of Play-Doh. So that's why we wanted to make a video.
So you finished them? Can I see what you got? What'd you get?
We made these.
Oh,
I made
cute. Those look so nice.
I need the scissors.
He's gonna touch it up probably a little bit. Look at how
He wants to cut it.
cute. How cute those came out, guys.
And this.
So you can have a lot of fun with those little monitos and their little hairs. Different styles.
Look
All
how
right.
spiky. And that one's more spiky.
All right.
Hello.
How sweet are those? How cute. Those are really nice, Jakey. You guys did really good. Really nice job, Jazzy. I'm glad you guys had fun with that set. We are going to have more fun with making more later. But you can continue with different hours. And stuff. I've been at it for like I was saying about maybe close to an hour now. So here they are.
I'm going to cut the hair.
Sure.
Hi.
Well, Jess, I'm glad you guys had fun with it. Gracias. Alright. Bye, Jakey. I'm glad you had fun.
I made the potato.
Yeah, so I'm glad you had fun, Jakey.
I made the banana.
There's only 3 guys, but there you go.